Welcome to the SnapComms Create Content page. To get started, let's take a look at how it works. There are 4 ways to send a message to your employees from the Create Content page. The Build Your Own tab gives you a blank canvas. You can insert your own imagery, text, colors, and settings. For immediate publishing with content already prepared for you, click on Start from Template to access our library. Here you will find pre-configured templates across multiple categories and channels. In just a few clicks, you can quickly publish the template you like or make some minor edits first. You can also view the most popular templates by using the filters on the right, or find all saved, published, and ready-to-use templates by entering a keyword in the search bar. To access and reuse templates your organization has already created, you'll find everything in the My Organization tab. The Recently Used tab gives you an overall view of all the messages you have drafted or sent recently. Communicating with your employees has never been easier with SnapComms. To learn more about the SnapComms platform, speak to your Customer Success Manager or contact one of our communications specialists.